Hey, welcome back to What Is, the channel that bravely tackles the questions you're too afraid to ask your Alexa. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been making headlines, causing more than a few awkward dinner conversations, and frankly, making polar bears look like they skipped their daily gym session. We're talking about climate change. So, what exactly is climate change? Imagine Earth is like your favorite t-shirt. It's got a natural, comfortable fit. It's been that way for a long time. Climate change is like someone's been repeatedly throwing our planet's t-shirt in the dryer on high heat. And not just once, we're talking a lot of hot air. Now, the hot air isn't just an expression. A big part of climate change is something called the greenhouse effect. Think of the Earth's atmosphere as a cozy blanket. Certain gases in the atmosphere, we call them greenhouse gases, trap some of the sun's heat, keeping our planet warm enough for us to, exist. It's a good thing. Without it, we'd be living on a giant, frozen popsicle. But here's where things get a little complicated. For the last century or so, humanity has been pretty busy. We've been burning a heck of a lot of fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, to power our cars, our factories, pretty much everything that makes modern life, modern. And when we burn these fuels, we release more of those greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It's like adding extra blankets to our already cozy Earth. One blanket, nice and toasty, 10 blankets, you're practically sweating through your sheets. That's what's happening to our planet. We're overheating. This extra heat has some pretty noticeable effects. We're seeing global temperatures rise. This isn't just about a few warmer summers. It's a long-term trend. It means ice caps are melting, which, spoiler alert, makes sea levels rise. So, those beachfront properties, they might need to start investing in really good inflatable rafts. It also messes with our weather patterns. We're seeing more extreme weather events. Think bigger hurricanes, longer droughts, and floods that make Noah's Ark look like a weekend boating trip. It's like the Earth is having a really bad hair day every single day. Now, some folks might say, but the climate has always changed. And they're right. The Earth has gone through natural cycles of warming and cooling, but the speed at which it's changing now is unprecedented. It's like comparing a leisurely stroll up a hill to being shot out of a cannon. The cannon is definitely faster and way more alarming. So, to sum it up, climate change is the long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns, largely driven by human activities that release greenhouse gases, trapping more heat and leading to a warmer planet with more extreme weather. It's a big, complex issue, and honestly, sometimes it can feel a little overwhelming. But understanding what it is the first step. And understanding is what we're all about here at What Is. If you found this explanation helpful, or if you now have a newfound appreciation for your planet's thermostat settings, give us a thumbs up. And if you've got more burning questions about the world around you, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. We'll see you in the next video.